There is a question that came in from someone about how you can create an effective video for YouTube ads. And that is a fantastic question. We've recently run a test for YouTube advertising for my uncle's rafting business, and we'll show you that example and how we put together the video today. Before we do, though, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. And with that said, let's get into it. Before we get into today's breakdown, I'm going to play the video ad in full. If you want to skip through to the discussion only, I'm going to include a timestamp in the description box below you can click on. So let's play the video ad and then have a discussion about all of the thinking behind it after this. So obviously quite a lot of things went on in that video that seemed to flow quite smoothly with the end product. But we're going to start by walking through some of the most important things that go into making a great video ad on YouTube. And the first thing is the hook. So capturing people's attention. So with our target market, we're going after people that are interested in the outdoors, interested in rafting, canoeing, kayaking. We need to get their attention. So how do we get their attention? We introduced a great initial headline, The Adventure on Your Life. So it's got their interest, and they can see the Orange River there. They can see the beauty from a wide angle, but where exactly is this? They don't know yet. So let's go to the next part. First 5 seconds. The adventure of your life on the mighty Orange River. Most important thing with any great YouTube video ad is having a good way of capturing people's attention that are in your target market. If we come back to the beginning, there is the second thing, which is the visuals. What are people seeing when they are watching the video ad? And what is the quality of that footage like as well? Is it telling the story that is needing to be communicated with people? In this example, for adventure rafting, the big benefit is having a fun and unique experience rafting on the Orange River. And if we come over here, we can see over here is a whole bunch of people, and they are all together. They all look like they're about to have a lot of fun. Everybody's waving, everyone seems quite happy. And as the drone pulls away, we go to the next scene where everyone's journeying and going on this great adventure on the Orange River. Coming to the next piece of footage here, people are going. They're really enjoying themselves, and there's a beautiful wide shot of what people are getting to experience. The views and the sights that they are getting to take in are absolutely amazing as the footage goes on. And if we go to the next part here, sort of a wide sweeping overhead shot, everybody's there, boom, having a fantastic time. And if we go to the next section here, you can see all the tents and stuff are perched up. It's a very unique experience. And these are things which words simply cannot describe sometimes. Right here, people are just set up. It's telling the story for us. So the second important thing when making a great YouTube video is being able to use the visual footage to tell the benefits and illustrate the benefits of going with your business. Number 3 is sound. having good audio so people can hear what you are saying in your ad, or having a good music soundtrack that accompanies and supports the flow of your ad. Let's have a listen again to the music we chose for this video. Not, we actually had two different variations of music. We had one that was a bit more high tempo and designed to create energy and enthusiasm, and we had this choice, which was more slow, easygoing, and relaxing, which is what we want people going on the Orange River rafting trips to experience. So, music and sound is a very important part of a successful video. If people can hear the music clearly and get a feel for what your business services are like, they're more likely to book. If they can hear your voice and it's consistent with sound right throughout the video, you're more. Finally, let's talk about information shared throughout the video. You can see through the commercial, there were different times where an orange background popped up and a small bit of information appeared. We want to make sure when creating a great video to share enough information that someone who is in your target market will take action, but not too much that it feels like they are being sold directly to and shouted at in the face. So let's have a look at example one, which we talked about earlier. We share the adventure of your life on the mighty Orange River. We talked about the different tour options that's available. So for this example, it is a 3-day river rafting tour. And if we come further to the next part, where it talks about discovering the beauty of South Africa, and then we come to the final section, which talks about some of the big benefits. It's safe, it's affordable, it's fun, and everyone is welcome. And we've got the final piece where people can book their trip today, and that is where we will have a call to action button somewhere around the video. You can see there that we have not gone overboard. We have tried to keep it as simple as possible, informing people. So that's it for today's video, everybody. I hope you got an immense amount of value out of it. This video converted at 50%, and we hope we can keep that conversion rate nice and high moving forward. If you found this valuable and would like to get more tutorials and tips like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget as well to smash that like button for support. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.